Din l-ewwel karozza li rifset u nstaqet fuq art tawċija. Għandha 110 snin u għadha f'kundizzjoni tajba ħafna. Is-sit ta' din il-karozza, David, jgħidilna kif din l-ewwel karozza f'Għawdex.
I have no proof that it was the first car that actually went to Gozo, except that it is common knowledge and folklore in Gozo that this car that belonged to somebody called Talmananu, that was christened Il-Karozza Tan-Nar, was the first car that went to Gozo.
Jirrakkonta li l-imħallef emeritu Giovanni Bonello kien kiteb artiklu dwar din il-karozza.
When Giovanni Bonello wrote this article in Treasures of Malta, he did a lot of research on the subject, found out who the original owners were, the people who bought it and took it to Gozo, and it came out that it was the first car that went to Gozo.
U x'tip ta' karozza hi?
Everything is original, but except for the paint and the tires and the leather, but otherwise it's all completely original. The car itself was made by John Davenport Sidley and by Herbert Austin, famous for Austin cars. But actually the company that made the car was Woolsey.
Din il-karozza kienet mitluqa f'remissa f'Għawdex, kif saba David irranġa u ġaba f'din il-kundizzjoni. Meta nstabet, din il-karozza kienet saħansitra rrappurtata fil-faċċata tal-ġurnal In-Nazzjon tagħna.
We were having a shave in a barber shop, and they were, you know how barbers talk. We were talking about old cars, and they mentioned the fact that there was this old car in a remissa. And then I went down and I found it, and I took photographs of it, took the photographs back to London, and I found out that it was a Sidley because nobody knew what it was.
U x'inhi l-ħolma ta' David Arrigo?
My ambition is to bring all 6 to Malta one of these days.
U għaliex le, aħna wkoll kellna x-xorti li nirkbu fl-ewwel karozza li niżlet f'Għawdex.